Hello, it's Alane. I'm back in Oklahoma, walking with Missy. We have a partnership, not created by me, but created by my mom. And she is so sensitive and so tuned into her human that she's able just to walk with us. She's not sure what's going on with the camera. You thinking about going back? Stay with me. I thought I'd turn the camera on because I just did that great workshop I really enjoyed called Spring Forward about winter into spring. And although it's officially spring here in central Oklahoma, you can see the trees are still in winter. But what's important about that is what's going on underneath. And the little buds are starting to form. And the grass is starting to form underneath the ground. So it still looks like winter here. And the germinating is happening where you can't see it yet. And that is such an important part of the work that we need to do on our inner lives as HSPs. And it's a great lead into our next Are You Highly Sensitive workshop, which is on sanctuary and spirituality for HSPs. So enjoy the blue sky the way I am. It's a beautiful sunny day, a little bit on the chilly side. And we'll say hi and bye for now. See you soon.